Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Record Shop X from Finland. Feel free to check them out. They have a large catalog of items. Record Shop X. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's see how we can get this open. Okay, I've gone ahead and pre-sliced the tape. You can see here we have layers of cardboard foldovers and the item itself. So let's turn it around. What we have here is a picture disc for Hawkwind's needle gun. So you can see here we have the price tag, UK condition sticker, possibly the date from October 23 this year. See, it's in with the typical kind of vinyl plastic sleeve, the soft type. On the back here, we can see side one is needle gun, credited to Dave Brock. Side two, Arioch, credited to Alan Davey. And Song of the Swords, credited to Dave Brock. Also available, their new album, Chronicle of the Black Sword, from Sharp Records. Sleeve art by Bob Walker. You can see here more artwork here. Looks like the Black Blades, Chaos Symbols, Flicknife logo, and then looks like address information there. Let you see that. Distributed by Spartan. So that is the album art on the front there. And let's see what we have here. Very nice. So, quick unboxing of Hawkwind's needle gun. And this was obtained from Record Shop X in Finland. Feel free to check them out. Large catalog of items, Record Shop X. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Mozart tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curious or the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.